Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to erase pen writing, full guide. Start by testing your chosen method on an unobtrusive spot to avoid ruining the whole item. I'll guide you through basic home remedies, solvent options, and gentle abrasion techniques for paper, fabric, and painted walls so you can pick the least risky method. Follow step by step, work slowly, and stop if the material shows harm. Begin with a soft eraser for ballpoint ink on ordinary paper and rub lightly in one direction. Next, try a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol for tougher marks, testing first. For fabric, blot with detergent and cold water before spot treating. For walls, use a magic eraser carefully. Always allow materials to dry and inspect progress, repeating gently rather than applying more force that can worsen damage. Keep ventilation when using solvents. Quick recommendation: if you like practical fixes, consider upgrading comfort with darn tough socks that come with a lifetime warranty. They're sturdy, comfortable, and worth having when you're crouched cleaning stains or working on crafts. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want longer-lasting socks. Now let's get back to the video. Identify the ink type: gel, ballpoint, or permanent, as each reacts differently to solvents and abrasives. Permanent ink may require specialized removers or bleaching alternatives, used cautiously. For antiques and important documents, consult a conservator before any treatment. Use precision tools like toothpicks or cotton swabs for small spots and work under bright light. Finish by pressing between clean towels to remove moisture without rubbing. Document your steps and results with photos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.